Welcome to Radwell International UK, home of PLC Centre. I'm Nathan and I'm here to show you our UK facility that services the entire EU. Here at Radwell we buy, sell and repair industrial automation equipment. Radwell PLC Centre offers over 20,000 manufacturers with more than £1 billion of surplus inventory. We also have a 21st century repair service centre devoted to quality, customer service and quick turnaround. It's been a very exciting time here in the UK as we have grown over the last few years and we continue to see projected growth. We recently did a full renovation of our sales and office area, which I'm going to show you during this tour. We have a 5,000 square metre warehouse for surplus here in the UK, plus over 10,000 square metres at our US headquarters and facility in Canada. We have a state-of-the-art repair centre and we are also an authorised recycle centre. Let's head into the service centre. Welcome to the service centre. This entire service area is ESD safe. Beyond these yellow lines is an electrostatic discharge danger zone. Basically what we know as static shock can cause damage to electronic components while we are handling them. To prevent this we have grounded wristbands and heel straps to absorb the static as we handle the components. Our goal is to bring you quality and efficient diagnostics and repairs. In order for speed, accuracy and quality, we hire trained technicians for both repairs and quality assurance. We continue to train our engineers and technicians on new and legacy equipment for testing abilities. In order to get repairs and surplus items moved throughout the warehouse and the service centre, we use these conveyor belts. These conveyor belts recognise the colour of the bin and send it to the correct area. An item like this comes in and is evaluated by an engineering supervisor. It is then assigned to a technician for repair or a quality assurance technician if it's surplus. All surplus and repairs are covered under our 2-year warranty. Speaking of repairs, let's go and talk to one of our engineers working on our test carts. Hi Gareth, could you quickly tell us what you're using?
Hi Nathan, I'm using the Siemens Apex unit and I'm using one of our test carts to test it.
Excellent. Do you find that these test carts allow you to test faster with better accuracy?
Yes I do. I can take one of these anywhere around the shop floor and plug it in and run the equipment I need to test. Also, our engineering department is constantly updating and building different models so we can test different brands to run.
Thanks for talking with us, Gareth. We appreciate
no problem,
that.
Nathan.
If you want to learn more about our test carts, visit our YouTube channel or click on the link below. We have over £1.3 million worth of repair supplies for our tech to pull from. They use these air tubes to receive requests from the parts department. It's an efficient way for them to get the parts without having to stop working. Before we head into the warehouse, let's head over to the motor shop. Welcome to our servo lab. Here is the servo lab. Our techs go through intense training on diagnosing problems and repairing the motors and encoders. We use state-of-the-art testing equipment. Here's our dyno. Test various AC/DC drives, measure input and output voltage, and each motor able to run and load. Here is our excellent shipping department. These are the men and the women who package up the items that you buy and then they send them out to you. We use state-of-the-art shipping methods to ensure that your purchase or repair is packed as safely as possible. Smaller units are skim packed and boxed in special perforated cartons. Skim packed units are rugged and allows for more secure shipments. Spray foam machines are used to protect larger pieces of equipment. It might be a small area, but it allows them to run more efficiently. Here in our warehouse we stock over £1 billion worth of surplus with over 12 million items between our US, Canada and UK locations. Over here is our breakdown area. As parcels come in, our staff send the items down the correct locations via the automated conveyor belts. This makes our process much faster and efficient. This line is for incoming surplus, whereas this line is for repairs and distribution. We are very big on recycling here at Radwell. As you can see, we have different bins for different materials so they can be trashed, reused or recycled. Going green is something that we take very seriously here. This is our recycling centre where we take anything that cannot be used, strip it and then separate the metals. Once it's all separated, we send it to the scrapyard and recycle facilities. Help us support the cycle of surplus. If you want to learn more about the cycle of surplus, check out our YouTube video or click on the link below. Welcome to Area 53. This is where we keep a lot of the smaller items for purchase and repair. As you can see, there are pullers and inventory workers who work up here. This is how we get what's needed downstairs as fast as possible. Welcome to PLC Centre Receiving. This is where all of our surplus we have purchased comes in, is checked, barcoded and scanned into inventory. It's then sent to Area 53 to be stored. As you can see, we've just had a shipment in, so everyone is really working hard to get it booked into inventory. Once they finish processing the items, they put them into an ESD safe bin and they send them up to Area 53 using the automated conveyor belts. This saves time and allows workers to stay in their area and work more efficiently. Welcome to Radwell UK's Robot Testing Centre. You can see that we have the robots and components that are needed to test different command cards and programs. We continue to expand what we are able to test. This is only the beginning of something very big here at Radwell and PLC Centre UK. As we continue to grow, we've had to expand our sales department. As you can see, we've expanded our sales office as well as the office space upstairs. We continue to invest in our building and in our staff so that we can continue to bring the great service that makes us an even better team. Hi Scott.
Hi Nathan.
I was hoping you could tell us a little bit more about the options our customers have when they call in.
Yeah, sure. When a customer calls in inquiring about a portable unit, we're able to offer them in 3 different price points. We can offer them a new, surplus or repair. We've recently expanded our web team to meet the demands of our web sales and requests, and this also helps us give us great advantage to combat all the language and the time differences that we have.
Excellent. Is there any guarantee on the products?
Yes, we offer a 2-year guarantee on all our surplus items, and the factory items are covered by our factory warranty.
With the expansion of the sales office, we also added more office space to the upstairs. We have executive offices, conference rooms and the new canteen. It was a real pleasure to show you around today. Make sure you connect with us on Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Cheers.